Oh, another box. Malolele YouTube, welcome to another episode of Mare Ma Money. Today we're going to get into another box today on the PNPT course. It's been a while, so I'm just trying to get back into this. But today we're going to do the Academy box. So, with that being said, nothing much to it. Let's just get right to it. Let's open up our terminal, get everything set up. So, let's get everything set up first. Make sure I'm connected to the box. Let's see. What was I gonna do? Do a ping sweep. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a ping sweep just to get the IP address. So let's do I've config, so that's us. And then let's see. So as you know, I've created this directory for the PH course. Within that directory, there should be a tool. Yeah, ping sweep. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. I should probably create a alias for this later just to make it quicker. What was I gonna do? 192.1. No. It's 172, I think. Let me check it again. All right, yeah. I've config. If it's your first time to this channel, welcome. I'm just getting my initial setup before I start hacking into this box, and then we'll set our timer for 55 minutes. But yeah, welcome to the channel. I also am just doing this because I just barely set this box back up. It was down due to oh no, let me. All right, there we go. So 134. 134 is the box that we're going to be trying to get into. So clear this, make that all nice, and then I will make a new directory. Yeah, so if you're new to this, I'm just going back through the Capstone portion of the PNPT certification course. I'm just trying to get better, practice more in terms of owning these boxes. So I'm gonna create another one. Let's call it Academy 2, and I'm gonna CD into that. Yeah, so I haven't done these boxes in a while, just because got a new job, and then also just my family moving and stuff, helping my wife out and stuff. So just trying to get through that. But now that we're all set up and everything and back into the flow of things, I'm going to start going back to this Capstone course. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to just run that tool again so you guys can see that. Wait. And then it was the IP sweep. And then we'll do 192.168.174. Yeah, there we go. All right, so 128, that's my attack box, and then this is the victim box, 134. So we're gonna take notes here using Obsidian because I don't know, Cherry Tree is just not working out for me. Let's see here. These are my hack the box notes. Let's see, open another vault. Like I said, so we're just going through this, everything just initial setup, and then we'll get right into the hacking the box. So Black Pearl, nope, that's not. So we create another one. Delete this. Delete. Oh, that's wrong. Yep, okay. So PNPT in here, create a new folder, call this one Academy. It's in here. And then we're going to start off with Let me just make sure I can. I mean, the pink sweep already did that. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I wanted to create. So open up this real quick. So yeah, I'm just getting initial setup for today, and then initial setup, and then I'll start the 55-minute timer. Let's see here. Kind of want to show you guys like the process real quick before we actually get into the hacking and stuff. Log in real quick. While that's getting set up, add some new notes. So we have Nmap. I'll make this inside directory. Nmap. Actually, delete that. Yeah. All right, let's get Nmap going. So, Nmap. Wait, no. Sudo Nmap. We're gonna do T4. Wait, let me hit the IP. 2.168.174.134. And then we're gonna do. Oh, before I do this, run a tmux. Yeah, so I've been trying to get better at tmux, like I said in my previous video. It's just something watching like IPSec and all the other like hackers that have used it. I really enjoy like just how they utilize it and the tools that it provides, so that we can switch back and forth pretty quick without having to create open tabs, and then you can run things in the background if you need to. So we're in here. We are going to first trying to think before I run my nmap scans, what else should I do right now? Oh, start the timer. Start the timer. Yeah, so not everything. I'll try to set it up better in future videos, but we'll start the timer. "55 minutes. Alright, so let me go back to see if GitBook's opened. Okay, so the reason I have this GitBook open, this is like where my notes are stored on the cloud, I guess you could say. But basically the idea of what I want to do here is, let me see if I'm trying to remember. Oh, Capstone, that's right. Place it in Capstone. So yeah, so this is like the basic right here. So Nmap exploitations findings. That's the basic setup. Improvement, I just added that. That was during my notes, but it's not necessary. It's more so personal reasons for adding it. It's areas of improvements when I'm hacking, what I can do to improve. So let's see, there's Nmap. Let's do exploits. Sometimes I see people name this findings part as like loot. I'll just call it findings though. So yeah, so these three, just to help me keep track of my notes and everything. Notes. Yeah. Nmap, notes, exploits. Okay. So before I do Nmap, I'm gonna do a Rust scan. Just it's a little bit faster, or so it claims to be faster than Nmap. It is faster, like it's the initial. I got this from Tyler Ramsby, so like he, at least some of his videos runs a Rust scan first. While that's running, I can open another window and run my Nmap scan. see, 4 ports. So usually before I would do like all the ports, but that's why I like this rust scan, just to narrow down what ports we need to look at. So let me go back to, so as you can see here, port 21, I think it's FTP. 22 is SSH, and then 80 HTTP. Oh, right here, it says right there. So let's see, within Nmap, let me create another directory. That's what I should have done, was name this one Nmap. I'll name this Enumeration, because that's really what it is. Enumeration. I just call it Enum. Alright, so within that we have our Nmap. I'll get that right now. Alright, Nmap. Let me put this Academy 168. Dot 174 134. Okay. And then we want 21, 22, and 80. Another cool thing I saw from one of Tyler Ramsey's videos was he was adding the IP to the host file. I don't know, maybe I'll try that next time, see how that works out. But yeah, he was adding the IP to the host file so that he didn't have to always retype the IP address. He could just do the domain name. So might have to try that out next time. Oh, you know what? Let me Control C on this. Add it to a map. Yeah, do this so I don't have to always run Nmap, and then that way it's saved. Other than my notes, it's saved somewhere else. So I usually run that. Well, that's, oh, so it's done. So let's see. Yep. Map.txt. Nice. Oh, you know what? Let me do that again. Add the A. Well, that's running. Let me go back to let me clear this. Alright, and then I'm going to start logging here. That's the other thing I like about Tmux, is that it logs. So all of this I set up, and that's like an hour. I probably should have made a video on all my configuration stuff, but that's time consuming in and of itself. Let's see, one. Okay, let's clear this. Ls cat. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted. So let me just copy this over to my notes. Alright, there we go. So yeah, here we go. So we have all of this. Let me move this up here more. And make that a little bit smaller. Alright, so within this we're gonna make 3 for the 3 ports that are open. Move these into enum. at the end of the day, however you take your notes, that's how you take your notes. But the better organized you are, the more easier it'll be to, I guess, hack. And that's what everyone will tell you, and that's how it really has been in my experience. So let's see here. Alright, so let me add this to-do list. Like I said, this to-do list I like from Tyler Ramsby because it helps keep you organized and also don't go down rabbit holes. So FTP, oh, it says anonymous TP login is allowed. Check note.txt, and then we'll check it, do a version check. All right. Yeah, that's good enough for that one. Let's move on to 22 SSH. I'm not going to be very successful there, just because unless. But we will check that last. We'll put that towards the end of the priority list. We'll move that over. Shout out to Bite Size Security. He's the one that got me switched over to Obsidian. So yeah, I really like how he takes notes. You know what I mean? I learn from the best. Alright, let's see here. It's 80. Good old HTTP. Do our to-do list. Let's see. Yen version check. Let's see. What else are we gonna do? Source code check. Check for landing page, or yeah. Check website GUI. Directory traversal with Durbuster. I like the GUIs, but I also like command line, so it's a little bit of half and half, 50-50. So whenever you have a chance to use command line, but it's also good just if you need something quickly done and you don't know all the commands, just use your GUI when you can. Alright, yeah, I think that's it there. Let's see, let me go back to 0 ls. Okay, yeah, so the reason I'm going back to 0 or pane 0 is just because this is where my logging is going to, and if I remember correctly, it's the middle number that tells you what pane it's recording on. So it's good for like later on when you need to see any commands you ran in the past. Alright, so FTP. Alright, let's go there. Pretty sure the FTP, you just do this. Do the 168. If this doesn't work, then I'll show you my GitBook, because like that's why it's good to have my GitBook, is because it has a full listing. Okay, so good. So we're connected here, logging in. We're gonna try anonymous by just giving no password. Let's see what happens. See, so even though it's incorrect and login failed, it still locked us into FTP. So that's why you don't want to make sure anonymous login is not allowed, because sometimes if it's like defaulted, it'll just allow you to log in when it shouldn't be. Alright, so do a help, see our list of commands, and let's see, ls clear. Oh, okay. So please log in with user and password, because we can't do a ls. What can we do here? see if we need to do fget get note.txt, because we got that from our nmap scan. So our nmap scan shows us that there is a note.txt within there with read or write permissions. So we should at least be able to read and write out of it. Let me see here. From our list of commands, I'm just looking over our list of commands. Is there a print? Do we have a print or echo? Let's see. Print. Let's see. I wonder if I have to log in with anonymous. Let me try anonymous first. Let's try that. So FTP 740.134 anonymous. So I'm just trying anonymous. Okay, login successful. Now let's try. Okay, so it's just goes to show there, even though I was able to get into FTP without any credentials, I just did blank and it let me in. I still wasn't able to, like, it's good to try anonymous, because at least you're trying real credentials. But yeah, let me get that note.txt. Okay, we cat. Let's see. Alright, let me keep trying to get these commands, but alright, let's see here. What about just a regular get? Are we able to just get? Yeah. Nice. Okay, so that should be in our local, in our directory. Let me exit and check. Yep, note.txt. So we got that. Let me cat that. Okay. So it says, hello Heath, Grimmy set up the test website for a new academy. I told him not to use the same password everywhere. He will change it ASAP. I couldn't create a user via admin panel. Blah, 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 blah. It's a database. So there might be a database. Okay. Let me put this in. Put it in here, but what was I gonna do? Let's see here. So he wants, or we got this note.txt. The student registration number is what you use for login. Let me know what you think. Open source project. It's from 2020, so it should be secure, right? Okay. Anyways, I'll just copy this. Into findings. Yeah. So put a note. Found a note on port 21 FTP. And then let me just copy this in. Sorry, just making a note. Okay, so just making a note here that I found this on FTP. Probably come useful for us later. So let's see. Clear that. Now let's look for port 80. Okay. Let's do a version check on this. Version check. The reason we want to do a version check is to see if there's any exploits just like that. Let's see. Exploits. See here. See if we have any remote code. So there's this privilege escalation, which is fine, but we're not trying to privesc right now. We're trying to gain remote access. Okay, local root exploits. Let's see this. Priv escalation. All right. Let's see here. Oh wait, no, I don't need to take a picture of that. Not too much on, let's see here. I'll just put that in my notes. Okay, so version check. Yeah, so found this website. It talks about RCE, possible RCE. Let's see what else. You know what I'm gonna do real quick? Let's run a search exploit. HTTP D 2. Alright, let's do Apache 2.4. Let's just do 2.4 for now. See if anything comes up. Okay. See if that's this one that was showing up online. If we had version 4.49, we could probably get a remote code pretty quickly just by using this path on there. Alright. I think that should be good for version check for now. Let me check just because everything else is more so priv escalation. Let's do a source code check on the website though. We'll probably be getting we're doing Durbuster in the background, but it's all good. We'll do that as we go. 168.174.134. 480. Let's go. Okay, so we have a default page. Let's screenshot this for now. Those and let's see. We'll do source code check after. Let me find the website real quick. You know what? Let's do a FUF. See if I remember how to do it. See an example. Okay. Alright, I think this is how you do it. So okay, I think it's this. So FUF. The word list we're gonna do is the users. I think it's their buster. Is it word list? Let's see. So back to this FUF. We're gonna use FUF to get this directory. I'll use their buster after this, but I just want to show FUF real quick. So let's see here. Hopefully this works. Okay, there we go. So the purpose of using FUF is to show you like what directories are possibly open. Probably could have. Let me do that. It was fast, so good thing about that is like, let me do only error codes. Let me do FUF help. I'll show you how to. Let me get rid of that. Yeah, MC. Okay, so we only want to show message codes 200, meaning that there's an actual website. Or the request went through. Was it 200 or? Oh, you know what? No, let me. I'll have to fix that later. But anyways, as you see, there's Academy, PHP, My Admin. Those are all things that we found with FUF. So I'll make it nicer later. Let's see. Directory, traversal. And you'll see that like whatchamacall, Dirtbuster will find the same stuff. So what was I gonna do? FUF. So FUF found. We found the Academy page. And this stuff can all be done manually as well. PHP admin. So that's done running. Let me show you Dirtbuster now. Buster, run in the background. Oh, wasp. Okay, so here's the Dirtbuster. So here's the GUI. 192.168.1, 74.134. And this is 80. Let's see here. Browse. We're gonna use the same one we used for FUF. Let's see. Yeah, I'll have to fix that next time so it's not as messy. So when it runs FUF, you only see the output. Because that thing was outputting everything. Which is not. It's more so for to make it easier for you all. Wordless. Dirtbuster. Medium. Okay. Yeah, so here you can see it's showing you. And then we have the tree view, which is nice. Let's see here. So let's go try that Academy page. Okay, nice. We got this. So here's a finding. Okay, so this is from the Academy directory. And the nice thing about that, if we look back to our notes, .txt, yeah, see, this is Dirtbuster finding all that. Nice thing about Dirtbuster compared to FUF is it'll just do more than the top level directory. It'll traverse through all of those, so that's what's nice about that. Let's see here. So FTP. Oh no, I put that in findings. So I put this in findings because, like, the reason why, because look, I think we have a student registration number. Yeah, because if this is student registration number, student photo, and then password is rumham. I think that's it right there. Let's try this first. Then rumham. Don't save. I wonder if this is a hash. Let me see. It's not one, so I think it's like MD5. Converter. It's been a while. Let's try check some. No conversion. It's MD5. Or is it hash converter? Let me look at my GitBook notes. Oh wait, no. I think it's... Let's see here. I gotta create a page for this, but we will go here. I think info gathering. Mars is password gathering. Pretty sure it's here. No. Okay, hash.org. Okay, let's try that. I think that's what it is. Hash.org. Hashcracker? Pretty sure it should be a tool like that. Yeah, let's try this. I think Hashcracker is a tool here, but I'll just go to this crack station, see if it works. If it doesn't work, then we'll go to Captcha, which always feels like it's harder than it should be. Crack hashes. Students, okay. So this translates to that's what that translates to. Alright, so let's go back to the login and try this. Enter password student. Alright, nice, we're in. Okay. Alright, so enrollment, my profile. So when you are on a website like this, just from going through the course like this, if there's any upload feature, that's what we're trying to look for, is anything where we can exploit and gain remote code execution from that. So let me just hold on before I do that. Let me get this and go back to our website. All right. You know what? Let me move this actually. Put that in here because that was actually what FTP finding. And then we'll go back to findings and move this. In here. Okay. Username was the student registration number and password is student. That's what we want to put in findings so that later when we come back we can exploit it again easily. And that's because we got this. Let's see, findings. Okay, there's that. Okay, so back to here. Okay, let's see. Trying to figure out how I just try to upload. Let's see if we can just upload something that's not a .image file like this. Okay, yeah, so this means we're still able to upload a file, but whatchamacall, and this is a PHP, so let's try to do something. PHP reverse shell file. What does GitHub has to offer? I think it's a web shell, right? Yeah, let's see this. Easy, simple web shell. I think all we need to do is upload this code. Control C this. Control C that. Oh wait, it's the no. Oh well. Over here speaking tongue. Whatchamacall? The Durbuster. Let me just kill this ping. And I'll just start another logging in here. Here, let me cut this out so everyone can see. So this is the benefits of logging in Tmux, or logging, not vlogging. Is that all that history that I had before? Look, and now I can just go to the top of it. Let's see. Just using, yeah, let's go one. Oh no, it's a reverse, so actually I should just be able to, let's do GG, yep, GG takes me to top. Okay, see, this is all the commands that I ran earlier. That's what's good about Tmux logging, because now I can just go back through my commands and see what it looks like. So to go to the bottom, just capital G, take you back to the bottom. Oh, and then I'll just hit Q to get out of that. Yeah, you scroll up and back and forth. Okay, anyways, so clear that. we're logging on this pane. Let me just make sure I copy this again. Well, let's see. Actually, can we do? No, that's not what I want. I'm trying to upload a file. Let's see. Let's go back to this. Let's see this one. Single file page. Okay. A single file. Execute on the server on fantastic page for use this here for the server. Don't upload it unless you know what you're doing. Alright. No, it's not. Okay, image upload. Okay. No, I don't think that's what we're looking for. This is someone's GitBook. Trying to remember. Okay, I'll be honest. I think I forgot how to do the reverse shell for PHP, so I'm gonna go look it up in my GitBook. See if I don't think this is very up to date yet. I haven't updated this. I'm gonna have to come back and update this later, but should have it in my PNPT notes. Let's see. Should have something on the reverse shells. Okay. So I was gonna take these notes, man, and come back to help you later. And that's the good thing about PNPT is you can utilize all the notes that you've taken. Man, where did they go? Let's see here. Pretty sure the idea is we get the PHP file to like a reverse shell PHP file to be uploaded. Before we upload it, we set up Netcat to listen on port whatever, and then when we upload, it should catch the reverse shell there. So I'm trying to remember what that GitHub was. I'll have to look back on this when I go through the walkthrough, because most likely won't finish this all the way just because we haven't gained a shell, popped a shell yet on this. So let's see, PHP reverse shell, maybe it's a reverse shell one-liner. I'm blinking on that one website that Heath always goes to. Let me just try this. %. Okay, let me try this. ls, and then we'll create the shell. Okay, let's see. Echo this into the shell. .php. Okay. That's me just creating a file. Yep, okay. So we have that file, so we should be able to just upload it, run it. Oh wait, no, I didn't edit it. I think this needs to be edited to my IP address. Oh, let's try to run shell. Undo. Forgot this has been 192.168.174.134, and then keep the port 1234. Cat that. Okay, so now that's updated to, oh no, again, messed up on that. This should be 128. Okay, so we're gonna do a listen. It's alias for my netcat, so I don't also have to run it, and the port. Nice. So it's listening on 120, 1234, and then we are going to go back to the student profile and upload this file. So I'm just going to go to where that's stored. PH Academy 2 shell.php. Okay. And nothing. Let's see. Probably doing something wrong with let's see here. Okay, so in the GitHub it said execute binge bash 10.0. Okay, they said remove the ampersand. He's talking about this ampersand, and they said it solved his problem. Let's see if that works for me. And then shell. Oh no. Just gonna do this over. Yeah, that's with that, and then this one we'll change it to the attacker box. Okay. Oh, and that's our timer. Let me just run this real quick. Try that again. Alright, updates. Browse. Shell updates. Nothing. Alright, we'll have to come back to this one. Like I said, I'll put a part 2 together. We'll finish this box up with the walkthrough. But yeah, just a little feel for getting back into it and everything, getting back into the swing of things and hacking. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share it, comment on it. Let me know what I can do to improve, what I'm missing. But yeah, thank you guys for coming today to this episode. As always, aim high and achieve. Until next time, I'll see you later.